Okay guys, so another tool is for some DNS reconnaissance that I'm going to show you really quick. It's called DNS Recon. It's a tool that we can use really quickly. I'm going to switch right over to Kali Linux, and it should come by default, so you can just go ahead and type in the DNS Recon command, and then we can start playing with this. Okay, so once we're in Kali Linux, you can just type in DNS Recon, and it'll actually pop up with a lot of the different commands that you can actually use when you're doing it. So you can go through and play and see what kind of information you want to pull. But this is another valuable tool for when you're actually conducting, that open source intelligence research and you're trying to figure out a little bit more about a domain. So let's see. So we can do something like Anthony Timber. Oh, sorry, DNS Recon, and then -D to designate the domain. So the target domain, let's do anthonytimbers.com. And if we wanted to, we could add different things. Like if we want to do a reverse lookup, we can just, put like a -S in here. If we wanted to, do some enumeration via Google, we could just do a -G right here. This is a good search if you're just doing some open source, intelligence research. So you want to give us, so we're going to give some time, but you're going to see a lot of stuff pop up. We're getting name servers, we're getting different IP addresses and stuff. So it gives you pretty valuable information. Some of these things might take a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth checking out, and just make sure that you're taking notes on everything, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so all the searches and everything are finished. Just remember we used the -G and the -S for the, to find some extra records and such. So if did some DNS searching, like, with Google, and it found a bunch of A records, so it's pointing to like my different subdomains that I have set up, and like, where those are like hosted. It's finding different A records, CNAME records. So it's actually pretty powerful tool if you want to get as much as you can like on a specific domain.